The scale on a map is a 1/4 inch to 5 miles. So every 1/4 inch on the map is 5 miles in real life. All right, so before we even move on to the problem, what we have here in that first sentence is a ratio. So we're looking at the connection between two units. We have inches and we have miles. So there's our ratio, inches to miles. So let's say that over here, inches to miles. And I don't like using a fraction inside of another fraction, so instead of saying 1/4 over 5, well, 1/4 is the same as 0.25. So let's use 0.25. So we don't have fractions inside of fractions. Okay, so 1/4 of an inch, or 0.25 inches, goes with 5 miles. All right, so that's a ratio, or that's a ratio. And now the question, find the actual distance between two towns for which the distance is represented by 38 inches on the map. Okay, so if we want to set up a proportion, which remember, a proportion is a mathematical equation where we have one ratio or one fraction is equal to another ratio or another fraction. So for that second fraction, we're given 39 inches. Okay, so 39 is on top. We have inches on top. And find the actual distance. So what we're looking for here, find the actual distance, we're looking for miles. So miles is unknown. And again, in mathematics, the symbol we generally use for an unknown is the letter X. So we'll say X miles. Okay, so we can solve this proportion by cross multiplying. 0.25 times x, okay, so that will be 0.25x is equal to 39 times 5. And that is 195. So let's say 195. And now to solve for x, on the left-hand side, we have 0.25 times x. The opposite of times is divide. So let's divide both sides by 0.25. On the left, they will cancel, and we will have x. And on the right, let's go over to the calculator here just so we don't make any mistakes. 195 divided by 0.25. 195 divided by 0.25. 780. Now 780 what? Now if we go back to our proportion, x is on the bottom, x is miles, so 780 miles. And that does it for this problem.